Sleep Train by Jonathan London, illustrated by Lauren Eldridge, and read by Miss.SuzziBee. Sleep train jiggling down the track, 10 sleepy cars going clickety-clack, with an engine in front and a caboose in back. Sleep train chugging down that line, 10 sleepy cars, and one of them is mine. There's a tender that makes one, and a boxcar that makes two. There's a tank car, 3, and a cattle car, 2. Listen to the cows going moo, moo. Listen to the whistle going choo, choo. There's a hopper and a gondola, the prettiest blue. There's a flatbed car that makes 7, and a coach with seats, and there's a dining car where everybody eats. Now, so far, that makes 9 sleepy cars rocking down that line. Sleep train jiggling down that track, but there are 10 sleepy cars going clickety-clack, followed by the caboose, a moonlit red. And I'm in the sleeping car, all cozy in bed. The sleeping car, that makes 10. I count the 10 sleepy cars again and again. I count the 10 sleepy cars instead of counting sheep, and I'll count those cars until I go to sleep. Tender 1, boxcar 2, tank car 3, cattle car 4, hopper 5, gondola 6, flatbed car 7, coach 8, dining car 9, and the sleeping car 10. I count the 10 sleepy cars again and again, like a lullaby heard in a dream, soft as a pillow in a moonbeam. I count the sleepy cars slower and slower. I count those cars till my eyelids lower. Sleep train snoring down that track. 10 sleepy cars going clickety-clack. I hope you enjoyed today's Sleepy Time story, read by Mrs.SuzziBee. I'll see you next time. Thanks.